How to use TikTok's restricted mode. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use, remove, disable or enable the restricted mode on TikTok. So it's quick and simple process, so let's get started. First of all, you have to open the TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now once you're in the app, go to your profile by tapping on the icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner to access the settings and privacy menu. Then go to settings and privacy. Now simply scroll down until you see the option of content preferences. Simply tap on it. This will open other management options related to filter keywords, muted accounts and more, along with the restricted mode. So if the restricted mode is turned on, you will need a password to disable it. Enter the password that was set, and this might have been created by a parent or a guardian. Once you've entered the password, you can select turn off restricted mode, and after doing this, you should now see the restricted mode is turned off. But in the case it's not turned off and you want to turn it on, you can click on this turn on button highlighted in red color in the bottom. Choose a specific reason that you're turning off this restricted mode over here, and then click on submit and you'll be done. So this is exactly how you can turn on and off the restricted mode on TikTok. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.